This red pepper and feta dip is incredible. It's made by processing together red peppers, garlic, olive oil, feta cheese, yogurt, and some chili flakes together with fresh oregano to make this delicious blend.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today's recipe is really quick and simple. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious red pepper and feta sauce. Now this is not just a sauce, you can also use it as a marinade as well as a dip. There's a couple of ingredients, you throw it into your food processor and you land up with this delicious sauce that you're going to love. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to make this most amazing red pepper and feta blend that will work as a marinade as well as a sauce, and it's even great as a dip. In my food processor, I'm going to add 2 bottled red peppers. This was 340 ml. I'm going to add salt to taste and 5 cloves of garlic. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil as well as 1 cup of feta cheese. I'm going to follow this with a 1/2 cup of yogurt, and for some heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. I have some fresh oregano here and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the leaves. Put the lid on and process this. This red pepper feta sauce is smooth and delicious. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this really simple recipe. This sauce is so great. It's a marinade, it's a dip, and you can make it and store it in your fridge for at least a week or so. Before I go, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my videos, share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, take care, guys. Bye.